Binigay kay Kobe Monje. Balik kay Jimboy Estrada. Crosses over, left hand layup is good for Jimboy Estrada. Monje, inside pass to Jimboy Estrada for that backdoor cut.
Very nice execution on that 4-high action.
And he ties up the ball game. Gives it to Jimboy Estrada. Estrada wants to shake off the defense by Kyle Hamora. Goes all the way and he ties the ball game up again to 84 all.